Jim Romer with your exclusive Seeking Alpha report today about natural gas. And this was the hurricane going through Florida that earlier in the week created concerns about demand destruction and a sell-off in natural gas. Boy, oh boy, look at this lightning. Elmo's Fire. Remember the movie St. Elmo's Fire? Anyway, as I've been saying for a while, typically you see lower natural gas prices in about 12 of 14 years in August and September, except where you see those arrows when it is hot during late August and September. And indeed, my weather spider to Weather Wealth clients in my newsletter has discussed for the last couple of weeks a bullish sentiment in natural gas. Again, I don't expect a major bull market to say $4 or $5 unless we have a very cold winter. Doesn't typically happen during El Nino, but notice the moisture, temperature, global indexes are positive, whereas the market was pretty much oversold here until this recent heat wave that I've been foreseeing here for the last couple of weeks. Indeed, we are going to be seeing hotter than normal temperatures here in red that my Climate Predict program, used by commodity traders around the world, has been predicting based upon the El Nino situation that we have right now. Overall, a warmer than normal September typically would suggest a rally in natural gas prices in the weeks ahead. Stay tuned. Thank you.